Boston Dynamics just released a thrilling new video of Atlas in action, and it's a must-see. In this demonstration, Atlas picks up tools from one shelf and moves them to another, showing off its impressive precision and dexterity. But it doesn't stop there. Atlas also navigates obstacles and adapts seamlessly to its environment, highlighting its ability to handle real-world tasks. This marks a significant leap forward, showing that Atlas is not just a research project anymore, but a robot ready for practical use in industries like construction, logistics, and disaster response. Let's dive in. Segment 1. The design behind Atlas. Boston Dynamics. Atlas is a marvel of both engineering and design, standing at 4.9 feet tall and weighing 89 kilograms or 196 pounds. Its human-like proportions make it ideal for navigating environments built for people, from tight hallways to uneven terrain. This design allows Atlas to move naturally in spaces where traditional robots might struggle. The robot is constructed with cutting-edge materials, including titanium and aluminum, which strike a perfect balance between strength and lightness. Many of Atlas's parts are 3D printed, allowing for intricate designs that reduce unnecessary weight and improve efficiency. One of Atlas's most significant upgrades is its fully electric powertrain, replacing the hydraulic systems used in earlier models. The all-electric actuators offer smoother, more precise motion, while enhancing energy efficiency, aligning with Boston Dynamics' goal to create powerful robots that are also environmentally conscious. This combination of design, material choice, and innovative power systems shows how Atlas is evolving to become a truly versatile and efficient humanoid robot, ready to tackle a variety of real-world challenges. Segment 2. Dynamic capabilities in action. Atlas is built for more than just standing. It's designed for dynamic motion. With 28 degrees of freedom, it can run, jump, and climb, offering impressive agility. This level of mobility enables Atlas to navigate through complex and unpredictable environments, whether it's tight spaces or uneven terrain. Thanks to its advanced sensors, including lidar and stereo vision, it can map its surroundings and react to obstacles, making it capable of moving fluidly through a variety of settings. In recent demonstrations, Atlas showcased its versatility by autonomously retrieving tools from one shelf and placing them on another, adapting to unexpected challenges in real time. These actions highlight its potential for practical applications, particularly in environments like construction sites or warehouses. Atlas can assist with moving materials, organizing tools, and performing repetitive tasks, making it a valuable tool for industries seeking efficiency and precision. A key advancement in Atlas is its new grippers, which allow it to handle objects up to 11 kilograms with precision. This makes it suitable for tasks like material handling, logistics, and other industries where precise object manipulation is required. Atlas's seamless integration of mobility, precision, and adaptability pushes the boundaries of what humanoid robots can do, bringing them closer to becoming indispensable tools in real-world scenarios. Segment 3. Real-world applications of Atlas. While Atlas has traditionally been a platform for research, recent updates have demonstrated its growing potential for practical, real-world applications. One significant area where Atlas could have a substantial impact is disaster response. Its agility and advanced design make it ideal for navigating dangerous environments like collapsed buildings, unstable terrain, or chemical spills. Atlas can be deployed to search for survivors, clear debris, and transport essential supplies where human rescuers cannot reach, significantly improving response times and safety. Its ability to handle tasks like lifting heavy objects and mapping hazardous areas ensures it can assist in the critical hours following a disaster, ultimately enhancing recovery efforts and saving lives. In construction and industrial work, Atlas's capabilities could revolutionize how work gets done. On construction sites, it could handle repetitive or strenuous tasks like lifting heavy materials, organizing tools, and performing manual labor, significantly reducing the risk of worker injuries while improving overall efficiency. Atlas's ability to adapt to dynamic and unpredictable work environments ensures it could become a reliable partner in jobs that require precision and versatility. As a research and development platform, Atlas continues to push the boundaries of humanoid robotics. Engineers and scientists use it to test new algorithms, refine robotic hardware, and explore new design concepts. This role is critical in advancing robotics technology, enabling the creation of even more advanced machines capable of tackling a wide range of future applications. These real-world uses of Atlas highlight its potential to reshape industries, making them safer, more efficient, and better equipped to handle new challenges. Segment 4. What sets Atlas apart? Atlas isn't the only humanoid robot on the market, but it stands out for several key reasons. One of its most impressive features is its advanced perception systems. Equipped with LiDAR and stereo vision, Atlas creates highly detailed environmental maps that help it navigate complex surroundings, avoid obstacles, and plan movements with remarkable precision. This allows Atlas to operate smoothly in dynamic and unpredictable environments, such as construction sites or disaster zones, where quick decision-making is crucial. In terms of strength and agility, Atlas sets itself apart from other robots. It can perform complex movements like backflips and sprinting, while also lifting heavy objects with ease. This combination of mobility and strength enables Atlas to surpass human capabilities in certain tasks, especially in environments that require both dexterity and power, such as material handling or heavy lifting in industrial settings. Lastly, Boston Dynamics has consciously shifted Atlas's focus from a purely research-oriented platform to a tool with real-world applications. Atlas is now capable of performing practical tasks autonomously, such as retrieving tools or moving materials, making it increasingly valuable in industries like construction and logistics. This shift towards practical utility highlights how Atlas is not just a feat of engineering, but a robot designed to address real-world challenges. This evolving role marks a significant step forward in humanoid robotics, demonstrating its growing potential beyond the lab and into everyday use. Segment 5. Challenges facing Atlas. Despite its impressive capabilities, Atlas still faces several significant challenges. One major hurdle is the high cost of the technology. Although Boston Dynamics has not disclosed an exact price for Atlas, the sophisticated design, including materials like titanium and aluminum, as well as advanced sensors, makes it a high-investment robot. This limits Atlas's use to research and specialized tasks rather than widespread commercial adoption. Competing with other humanoid robots, like Tesla's Optimus, Atlas must contend with Tesla's focus on affordability and scalability, aiming to make robots more accessible for manufacturing and household automation. While Atlas showcases cutting-edge technology, it's unlikely to see mass-market use in the near future due to its current high cost. Another significant challenge is energy demands. Atlas's all-electric design is an upgrade over earlier hydraulic models, yet its energy consumption remains high, especially when performing complex tasks like running, jumping, or lifting. Current battery technology limits its operating time, and to reach the level of reliability needed for industry-specific applications, battery innovation is critical. Both Atlas and Optimus face similar limitations, as they rely on batteries to power advanced sensors and actuators that enable these high-performance tasks. The development of more efficient power systems is key for both robots to operate for extended periods without compromising their mobility or precision. Finally, integration into various industries remains a key challenge for both Atlas and its competitors. While Atlas excels in complex movements, integrating it into environments like construction sites or warehouses requires further development, including better safety measures and user-friendly interfaces. Tesla's Optimus, which is designed for automation, offers AI-driven task execution and easy programming for manufacturing. However, earlier demonstrations of Optimus raised concerns about its true autonomy, with claims suggesting it was being controlled remotely. To address these claims, Tesla showcased Optimus performing tasks autonomously, moving and interacting with objects without human input. This demonstration aimed to prove that Optimus is capable of operating independently in real-world scenarios. In contrast, Atlas operates autonomously from the start, positioning itself as a leader in fully autonomous humanoid robotics. Achieving full autonomy and seamless integration into industries will be essential for Atlas as it competes with robots like Optimus. Segment 6. The future of Atlas. Despite the challenges, Atlas's future is incredibly promising. Boston Dynamics is focused on refining its design to make it more practical and accessible for real-world use. In the near term, Wider industry adoption is expected, with sectors like construction, logistics, and disaster response likely to lead the way. These industries will benefit from Atlas's agility, particularly in high-risk or labor-intensive scenarios. As AI algorithms improve, Atlas will gain better autonomy, allowing it to perform increasingly complex tasks with minimal human intervention, which will significantly expand its applications. One of the most exciting possibilities is the rise of collaborative robotics, where Atlas works alongside humans. By handling repetitive or dangerous tasks, Atlas can leave more creative and decision-making roles to people, making workplaces safer and more efficient. The future of robotics is unfolding right before our eyes. Atlas by Boston Dynamics is breaking new ground with its agility and design, pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve. As we move closer to seeing robots like Atlas in our everyday lives, the possibilities are endless. Want to see where this technology goes next? Stay tuned and subscribe for more insights into the world of robotics.